Leco. Yeah, are you streaming? Are we streaming? Yeah, okay, good. Live from Wieliszew, which is near Warsaw. So we are almost there in terms of... Okay, let's just hide this. And let's just view stats. No, not stats. Where's the panel for... where is my... I don't know. I mean, okay. Status bar. Where's that status bar? No, it's not the one. Chat. Okay, I think that's the one. Select stream. Stream software. Okay, 0 views. Good. No views, no chat rate. We'll get that. We'll get there. So hello. Today. What's my goal for today? Let's just add some for today. What are my goals? We will to-dos. Is it like... Okay, now let's just hide this one. To-dos. 1. We have to fix... There was something to fix from yesterday. App to do. 2 days to go. Okay, so let's just like put some text here. Text. To go. Text. Arial. Select font. What's this font? This is cool. Is it? Let's just have this one maybe. Ballo. This one is cool. Okay, sample. Maybe not. Yeah, bold, italic. Ballo. Good. 2 days to go. Text transform. Okay, where is it now? Where's my 2 days? Oh, that's so small. No, let's just change it. Let's just make it bigger. No. Select font. Let's just make it 72 instead of that. No, that's still small. Select font. I'll just make it 120. 140. Yeah, 2 days to go. And it should have like a background. Text transform, white, select color, opacity, gradient, background color. Yes, okay. Background opacity. Good. Outline. Should we do outline? No, I don't like outlines. Okay, 2 days to go. To launch. Okay. Oh, no, not drawing. Okay. No, I don't want to draw. Here. Where's my drawing? No, it's... Oh, okay, so it's here. Let's just... studio mode. Okay. To launch. 2 days. 2 days to go. Yeah, okay. Let's just have a background opacity lower. Okay. And then the next line will be just, why there's this drawing thing? How do I turn it off? Oh no. Okay. Oh yeah, yes, so that's fine. Is this one my output? Let's see my output here. 2 days to go. Maybe like something more before to yay. And the next text, another text will be to-dos. To-dos. And to-dos are sales page, video, show video about how the application works on sales website. Sales page video is important, is the most important. Test full flow the app with payments, Stripe payments, and user invite for multiple addresses. Yes, and are there like do you have any interesting do we have interesting, is this like how it looks out there? Oh no. Oh good, okay. So how do I like move this there? Transition. Okay. Is this out there? No. Oh, so it's not even showing that part. Okay. Oh, so we are way behind here. Good. Ah, no. Okay, so I have to clean that part. How do I remove this drawing? This, because it says that, no. How do I transform it there? Okay, let's just have a studio mode. Oh, okay, so maybe this will. Oh no. How do I remove this? Shit. How do I remove this drawing crap? Draw. Can I erase? Yeah, okay, let's just erase everything. Let's erase this. Stupid. Yeah, okay, removed, clean, good. Is it gonna, are you? Oh, okay, yeah, it's gone. Excellent. And now, so we have our to-dos. Sales page video So okay, that means that I will actually have to add it as well. Point planner by new domain for planner point. Maybe not. Let's not buy this one. Point planner EU to sales page. Test full flow of sign up. Okay, so we'll be testing it later today. So this sample video. So this is the one of the last parts for the sales page, and also testimonials. Although like I don't know if I can organize testimonials today. So planner sales page on rendering. Good. So this is my sales page, and hopefully it will be selling well as yeah, okay. So this let's not, why am I sad here? Let's be happy actually about that. Let's have a, yeah, that's the one. So okay, this is the video we want to plug here. So this will be YouTube video, see planner, how it works in under 2 minutes. So I'll have to make a very quick snappy video about how the planner works, but let's go through the application itself as well. Product planner. So this is my sorry, this is my test environment, and yesterday I actually fixed some of the issues here. Let's see if they're here as well. Yes, so we can add a column, we can delete the column. Let's just delete my new column because I don't really want it. Oh, wait, is this like delete column? Oh, what a stupid, come on, why is there like, is this how we have it here as well? Description. Yeah, okay, let's just move the delete column, confirm message should not be as an alert, but in the pop-up. Yeah, that's silly. Cool, works. Although like, this is working. Maybe I should actually just leave it as it is for now, and then like if it annoys me a lot, I will actually get rid of it. But because, okay, but it should be like that. Yeah, it should be as a pop-up. So I think that's a bug I don't really like to have. Okay, this is good. Access denied. Okay, so me as a no. Okay, so like if there is access denied for employee, we should not even show user management. Settings should actually be there. Oh no. If employee has no access to user management and setting, they should not be showing on the page, on the sidebar. Yeah, that makes sense. So if your status is not like admin and stuff, you should not have, like, even you shouldn't see those. This is pointless. This is unnecessary, obviously. Okay, so that's, but okay, so the sales video is when I have my basic issues sorted. I think, although like maybe I should just go for it. Okay, this I'm happy with. change password. This I'm happy with. Account. Oh, log out. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let's just try to log back in with some other account. Maybe one. Maybe this. Okay, so actually, I think I had like a count. Good, we are live. We had an account here. So this is a customer, and where is my? Here, that's the one. Try to use that one. Is it 0? Maybe 1? No. Let's just like forget. Okay, we forgot the password. Good. Send reset link. And then now in my Gmail I have a reset link, which is great, and it's working correctly. And I put my new password, which is this. That's fine. Like this is my test. So you can have it. You bloody. Okay. So okay, we have. I think we have reset now. So this is that. This is that. Good. Oh, virtual tour. I have to either make it work or hide it. Let's tour. Let's hide it for now. Hide. Before I post video, let's remember to have a add virtual tour to the app, because otherwise it will be actually useful. Very important actually. And okay, so yeah, we have that. I think like, is this like maybe it's private? YouTube. Yeah, that's fine. It will probably start promoting me soon. Let's see if should get caught in 4K. Live. Yeah, we are here in my beautiful shirt. 2 days to app launch. 2 days to app launch. Have only we'll see. It will make us all rich. It will obviously make us all rich. Dollar. Money. No. Where's money? Yay, yay. Yeah, good. I'm talking. So we are back in the app. We logged in. Good. Oh, and this user, it's a main user. Oh, okay, let's just add no results, or like no results to all tables. And all tables to make. Yeah, okay, so no results to me. So in 2 days I'm actually launching my application, so like I still have like a list of to-dos to get there. For example, like I just realized that I like when you have no products, there's like the page is pretty empty. So it should actually at least tell you like, dude, like these are things you can do. You can upload the Excel file if it's in the right format, or you can do other stuff as well. But I have to also make a video about that. So this will be another step. So I will be actually showing, okay, step by step, this is what you can do here. This is you know, this is where you upload a file. This is where you post, you know, when you add a product, you know, when you add a customer. This is where you change the status of a customer. You can, oh, there's so many. Why there's so many? Status, yeah, so that's a bug, I think. Cancelled. Do we have cancelled twice or something? In transit. Delivered. Okay, so we just have plenty of statuses. So let's just like delete, delayed, cancelled. Okay, actually delayed, delivered. Oh, we have delivered twice. Okay, so let's remove that one. Delivered, in preparation, pending, ordered, in transit, cancelled, pending. And let's cancelled doesn't have to show on the status list. Pending, does it have to show? Yes. In transit, maybe in pending as well. Delivered, in transit we have twice. Okay, so this one can go, and now like it will probably look much better. In preparation, ordered, in transport, delivered. Yeah, we can do that as well. So now our board will just have 3 items, which is much easier to maintain. Reports for now they're empty, but okay, later we're gonna have some reports. Yeah, okay, so let's fix those minor issues, and then so there are obviously programming issues that I will have to, they're not actually too hard. And then like based on that, when I'm happy with, more or less happy with my basic app, I will actually record this video that will be like a sales video. It will be just showing the customer like, okay, you go in here and this is how you buy, this is how you add items to the hi guys. Oh, I should make a chat. Sorry, not chat. I think the greatest thing is polls, you know. But what should be the poll actually? What should be asking you? This is the hardest part to actually, you know, come out with the polls. Start a poll. Is 29 euros. Or would you pay 29 euros for this app if you deliver business? Euro symbol. Okay, so I'll just ask a poll here, which will be like, would you pay for that? Yes, no, start poll. Please say yes. I want to sell some. I would say yes, I would buy it. Yeah. Okay. So the next step will be obviously fixing the minor issue here. So the one with no, okay, I wonder if I should keep this. Okay, let's just remove this prompt. Let's just go through all of those 4, which actually is pretty simple. So like, I think we should be able to do them within 1 hour. And then after that, we'll have a break, and then we'll start recording the sales page video, which will hopefully convince some people to actually buy my product. And you know, in 2 days, they will be actually paying for it. Yeah, so let's get cracking. Let's just open like a Visual Studio. And here, yeah, because I run out of credit, I could probably pay for some more credit, but I kind of started using those Chip agents, and they do pretty good job. So like, I don't think like it's worth to actually overpaying for them. I think like it's, you know, they're good enough to actually get that rolling. And then I can, like, sometimes I just go into the code and just do it myself. Or, you know, occasionally I just ignore it and just go for the next task. So let's just let's just update the latest code. Are you a programmer? How are you? Hi, what's your name? I see we have one concurrent viewer. Create new branch. And today it's 2 days bug fixing, or maybe bug fixing for sales video. Yeah, that's the one. So we have our branch. Let's just see. Okay, so the first one was when we delete the column, we have a alert, which is like not the best way to do it. So it's asking us within an alert to remove column from the table. Okay, so let's just like ask our AI, Lord, to in all of our tables, when we remove a column, we should have been asked in a model, not in alert, not in browser alert. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so like if you wanna delete this column, like now this is a browser alert, and it's kind of silly way to do it. It's working, but it's kind of silly. I think like we should have a model here asking to do that. Let's see if AI Lord will help. Alert Earth. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna do that, because like it's not really like really important if you think of it. It's just a minor issue that, you know, products table. It's a minor issue, but like it's kind of annoying. Like I don't really like to have it. If employee has no access to user management, it should not be used. Shown. Yeah. The next one will be like if you don't, as an employer, like, or if you as a user, if you have no access to those sections, and like for example this one is admin, main user, but if it's just like a normal user, he should not have he should not even see those in the oh, and I never liked actually this layout. Let's just fix that one as well, because I think that we can just do it with what's the name of this component actually? Primitive div, primitive slot, primitive what? Nothing. Ooh, roving focus connect. Okay, no. Oh, tabs list. Oh yeah, this tabs list, is it? Yeah. We will find the tabs list component, and we'll just make sure that they're actually showing in a row, not in the wherever it is. Tabs list. Okay, let's just add a task here as well. Tabs list in settings should show in a row. I don't know, maybe I will actually code it myself. No, instead of AI. I kind of got used to AI so much. It's such a beautiful solution. Okay, let's just go back to continue. Yeah, I have. It's not like you have been working for that long. Come on, like it's been like just wrote a couple of lines of code. So don't, yeah. This is happening often with the Chip agents. They actually keep on just like getting lazy and like asking, like, should we stop? Are you sure? Like, are you sure you want me to work on it? Because I got bored quickly, you know. So like that's an issue. Oh, another thing, I still have like that's for today's to-dos as well. Because like I have there's two of us working on this project, but like me, I'm a main owner. So I will have to come out with the offer to my co-partner in this project, how much percentage of the company he should get. So for example, like he had an idea. So his idea was this app. So according to like ChatGPT, idea is worth 1 to 5% of the business. So that's for idea. So this is yeah, I could offer him that, but like, he doesn't give him like much incentive to actually work more, you know. It's like, okay, he can just like leave it and let me actually finish it and deploy it, and maybe that's the good solution. So, you know, I give him 1 to 5% and then that's it. But then he could also, okay, let me just open that for you, because this is really this is actually very interesting, like how to share the spoils, or like how to share the earnings. I would really like him to actually take more responsibility for it. So that would mean that he would have to put like some extra time into the application or some extra money. Chat GPT. So that's another thing. So like, you know, I'm taking most, but I want him to, like, you know, if I want to have a partner in this business, I want him to take some responsibility and like maybe pay for some stuff and how much it's worth, you know. So like I actually had a chat with ChatGPT a while ago to get that, and there are some things I could actually offer him. So yes, if he puts like some money into it, like then I can give him some more percentage. So for example, if he puts like at this stage, which is early, if he puts 10, you know, maybe in dollars, let him put $2,000, then maybe that's worth for me another 5%. If he puts 20 hours a month, which is worth, let's say he's quite experienced, let's say 20 hours times 3 months, that times $40. 20 times what did I say, $40 per hour. Let's say that's his wage, maybe it's even more, times, so that's 800 times 3. That's actually not that much in terms of like dollars. So this is worth 24, you know, 2000. Okay, so that's, let's say this will be another 7%. and this would be for example, he would do, this would mean he would actually get me testimonials. Let's say 5 testimonials from 5 clients in the industry. That's pretty good idea. So then, what else could he do? Like, he could do, then on top of that, I offer 50% for now, percent of each customer that he finds. He finds plus his percentage. $20 hours per month. For double that, it's so like each hour, that means that 3 hours, each 3 hours per month is worth 1%. And this is, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's say that's what I can offer. Okay, so let's say that his idea is worth 4%, because that was actually us together. He can put $2,000 for 5%, or twice that for 10%. For 4,000, 10%. And then like 3 hours per month for each percent he wants to put, up to 8% here. Let's say that he can get up to 25% of the business. So up to what would be that? Testimonials, sales. Testing. Yeah, that's probably how much it's worth. Share in the earnings. Partner. Okay, so that's how much we can give away to 25%. Yeah, so I can give up to 25%. He can decide how much he pays here, and depending how many hours he wants to put, which is obviously like not easy, and that's for within next 3 months, or 6 months vesting. Yeah, so like if he's doing that for 6 months, this is like he gets 25% of the total. Plus there would be like for now 50% first 3 months. I think that's actually a lot. What would be the percentage of? Up to 25%. I don't know how much it would be worth for now. how much per customer, because like 50% it's a lot. Let's say 25% for each customer he finds, and then we reevaluate that. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Let's open my chat GPT and get that conversation again. I'm building a application app, and I have a business partner who I want to engage in the process. What can I offer to him? So far I have put around 350 hours into the project, and he did around maybe 20. He also had forming idea and did some testing of the app. And to offer some sort of package where he would be putting some time and money for return of interest percentage of company. Like this for a share. Maybe 2 to 4%. 2 to 4%. Okay, yeah. So I am ready to give away up to 25% of the entire business. I assume that due to his expertise, is equal to my time. His 1 hour of work is equal to my 1 hour of. How much offer him, and if he let's also consider pulling him more into the how much his time / hash money. Expect from him for what company. Yeah, so basically, okay, I wrote that earlier, but he can help with getting getting testimonials, testing, can invest some money into the business. Okay, good. So let's see how much ChatGPT will offer my business partner in that project. But in meantime, I think I have to press allow. So my ChatGPT, my AI Lord will actually proceed with my code implementation. So what he did, I think, okay, show column. Yeah, okay, so the dialogue. So he added the dialogue to the page. So now instead of having like a alert, which was kind of silly solution, we're gonna have a dialogue instead, which is better actually. So now, yeah, alert dialogue. Good. Okay, I probably will like that solution. Yes. Good. Let's test if it's actually there. Oh, okay, localhost. Let's just run the environment because I think I wasn't doing anything. Run server. Oh, no. ls. Let's see what we have here. Start. Run project. Oh, no. No? Why don't you see it? Okay. cd backend. Python. Yeah, okay. Oh, no. Manage py run server. Good. And now the other one will be for web. npm dev. Oh, everyone is gone now. What a pity. Okay, you 350 hours. Him 20 hours. Assumption 1 hour equals equal value. Total effort so far. His current contribution share is 5.4%. Good. So today, without future commitment, he gets around 5%. That doesn't mean he can't reach 25%. It just means it must be earned forward, not retroactively. Key principle. Okay, actually, let's assume that he has put 35 hours. But he didn't actually, no. Let's assume that he put 30 hours. Oh, okay, so it's 20 out of 370. That's an easy calculation. Just 30. So it's 8%. Okay. So okay, out of what he has put so far, notepad. He gets so far he gets 8%. So that's his 8% for time. 8% for his time so far. Or maybe 9%, maybe 10%. Okay, 10%. Yeah, he's 10%. Let's say he actually has put. Oh, okay. He have also put money around $200 into server costs and promotion. Let's actually say that he has put 35 hours instead of 20. Yeah, okay, because that's probably more fair. I think he did a bit more. So okay, gosh, yeah, okay, 1 hour, that's fine. We need to, yeah, national rate, that's fine. Okay, 4 hours, so $200 for extra hours. 9%. Okay, so like so we give him 9% here for his time so far. He has not earned. Reframing. This is a key. I'm willing to give up 25%. Yes. The correct item interpretation. That's earned. Performance-based vesting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Strong founder agreement work. How much more must he contribute to reach 25%? To own 25%. His total effort should be roughly 1/3 of yours. Okay. If you stay around, he needs. Okay, already done 35. Remaining for 25. That's the real. Updated and realistic. Package A. Contribute to partner. Commitment. Okay, 3 per weeks. No money required. This matches reality almost perfectly. Okay, that's package 1. So if he doesn't do anything else, and he does 2 to 3 hours a week, testing, feedback, testimonials. No money required. Then he gets 10%. That's fair. Package B. 6% over vested over 6 to 18 per months. Commitment 5 hours per week. Customer overreach, testimonials, pilots, light sales activity. Package B, growth, business partner. Package C, co-founder, track. Only if he commits hard. This is the 25% scenario. Up to 25% vesting. 4 years. Ooh, 1 year's cliff. Additional 95 active customer acquisition. Clear revenue or traction milestones. Optional but strongly recommended. Given you build an app, you carry the technical risk, you invested the most of time and honest, not just straight 25%. Offer, yeah, okay. Okay, I can explain it. That's not hard to me. Right now, based on time and money, you're about around 9%. You want more involved. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I will actually take those 3 packages. Package A, package B, package C. I like that actually. So this is my offer. Yeah, I'm planning to put also around let's say that if he 5 to 10 k over next year, I can match it. How would that be? How would that be reflected in my offer? Yeah, this is really important. Like, I didn't really think enough about that. Very strong move on your part. Matching his cash keep things fair and signals long-term commitment for both of you. Let's translate that to cleanly match. First, set the rule: cash founder status. Money buys equality only when combined with commitment. Time. Update contribution match. Feature looking. Scenario: he invests 5 over 12 months. Cash 100 hours. Time. Expectation. Total new contribution. Co-founder territory. Puts him solidly in co-founder territory. He invests 10 over 12 months. How matching his investment affects equity? He's still, you both increasing runway. Equity reflects contribution. Cap his equity. Allows you to cap. Okay, clean and equal structure that works. Recommended. Equity buckets is past commitment, so he gets 9% so far. Time commitment, next 12 to 18 months, 6% of time. What does it mean, 6%? Oh, that's the, yeah, okay. Cash investment, 5 to 10k, 5 to 12, total possible. Okay. Why 15 to? Oh, okay, because if he puts nothing, then he gets nothing here. Concrete offers you can make. Offer 1, 5k investment, tracks to strong partner, up to 20% equity, 5 hours per week, tied to 5 investment, vesting 4 years. You match 5k. Let's make roughly. You match his 10% investment, 10k. So okay, so like with offer 1, if we both put 5k up to 20%. Protect yourself. Add this clause. Milestone, not just your hours. Vesting and cash paid in trenches. Yeah, okay. How to explain this simply to him? If you're willing to invest 5 to 10 over the next year, I will match it. Reduces the time burden. Okay, serious founder level. Okay, my honest recommendation. Offer 25% max at 5k with clear upgrade up to 25% at 10. Cool. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's do the one-page equity vesting table. Equity vesting document. I can present to him as an offer that would be for all three scenarios. If he adds nothing from now on, he gets 10%. Nothing from now on, and only limit him commit money and if he commits, and then like, oh, let's see if AI did my fix. Oh yeah, okay, so I think I can test my while my thing is happening. Let's see if this, yeah, okay, remove column, removed. Woohoo, good. Let's see if here I can remove one. Delete. Yoo, yay. Can we delete here? Woohoo, apply, good. Delete, cancel, and not deleted. Yeah, it's there. Good, perfect. Works like charm. So first one is done. Delete column, done. Woohoo! So let's just have an X here. X is done. So congratulations, one done today. Let's have a next one. If employee has no access to user management, the settings, they should not be showed in the sidebar. Yeah, okay. If the user, that's user. Good, done. Let's commit that. This is actually working. I'm happy. I can commit. Dialog to use model. Okay, use model for instead of alerts tables. Good. One done. 4 to go. Next one will be that when the user has is not allowed to access user management and settings, they should not be showing. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Pretty easy. Let's see how. Okay, and then copy text. So now we have the text twice. Done. 2 out of 1 out of 6 task today. Ooh, why both? Okay, why is this? No. Okay, so I need to probably create new. So I can't really copy this. Oh, we're stupid. Oh, we're bad. So I'm gonna do another text. Oh, okay, yeah. to this. Done. Out of 6. Out of 6. Yep. So far we've done one, but we're gonna have another one. While we're actually talking about the vesting interest within the company. So let's just have this somewhere here. Yeah, okay, this is good. It's actually a good place. Let it be here. Yeah, okay. I think that's gonna be easy. So 2 out of 6 will be soon, I guess. PM dev. Why build? Good. So we're supposed to have second one. Dev. So I think like we're gonna have task number 2. That, for example, like okay, now I have access to do those. Let's log out and let's use the other guy. And this one has also, but he can see it. Main user. Oh, okay, this guy is also main user. I thought he's like a. Okay, so settings, user management, invite user, email address. This one, role, employee, send invitation. Invitation sent successfully. Let's see if it's received. Again, like thanks for your confirmation, upcoming interview. So yeah, it's a Google interview. I don't know if I want to do it even. If you have any questions, yeah, that's fine. Oh, I shouldn't really show this lady. Yeah, like it's an option. I can always go to try with Google, but I don't know if I want it. Okay, is this the one that did I just have it? No, that's 6 days ago. Oh, okay, so I do this one. Okay, so that's another user. Good. Let's see now if I log back in and use this guy, and I think that's the password again. Maybe 1. Maybe I don't have it set up actually. Maybe I will have to do it manually, but I don't remember actually my localhost 8000 admin. Ooh, this is problem. What's the admin here? Maybe admin? Maybe this one? Oh, I had like a super user somewhere. That's up. That's a messed up. No. Password. No, that's probably for my. Yeah, that's for production. That's something I shouldn't show you. It's not here. Okay, let's just create super user. We will just create new super user. So create super user. Yeah. User. Is it gonna work? Yeah. So it's gonna be Maciej. Username. Already taken. So maybe it's actually Maciej. Are you gonna please? No. Oh, because backend is closed. Yeah. Okay. Manage run server. Let's see if it's gonna. So Maciej should be a super user, or is he maybe just like a guy? Okay, CD backend. No. Okay, Python manage by create super user Wigilia. Lecz przyczyn losowych, okej. Jednakże nie umówił pan nowego, czy rozgubę... przepraszam. Nie rezygnuję. Wy pan z głowy. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing like a couple of interviews all the time, just in case, you know, if my business doesn't work, if it doesn't make money. But if it does money, then I don't want to go back to corporation. So I will be actually just doing this, hopefully, continuing from now on. Padło z głowy. Zaraz poszukam do zaproszeń. Dziękuję za nie. Yep, good. How much I've been rolling so far? Stop streaming. How much is the stream so far? How long is the stream? Let's see. Actually, I can check it on my phone. So yeah, my super user. How will I get to it? Okay. So that's admin. Shit, it had like some... Yeah, let's just create super user again. Username. Like admin. Like at Gmail. Mac admin. I need to... Yeah, Mac admin for now. MAC admin, Mac admin. Mac admin. Remember this, please. Yay! So we have our super user, and let's see what are my users actually. Users. Whoa, I have so many. Oh, okay, so this one, Maciej admin, is an employee. Let's see if I can log into this one. Username, this one. And that's the password, is it? Let's just change password for it. Can I change his password? Or reset password? Ooh, okay. Password. Is it? Okay. Yep. Change password. Maybe now it will work. Okay, so this guy is Maciej admin, and the password again is the same. My testing. Good. Okay. That works. And he doesn't see those settings, while some other guy will see it. Good. Oh, good. Okay, so we have all of that here. Reports. That should show stuff. Compare months. Compare months. Yeah, good. Some changes. That's nice, actually. This is something I like here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's a cool thing. So that's like a document will do purpose. This document outlines 3 agreement scenarios that affects the different levels of commitment, time, capacity, and responsibility, and corresponding equity allocation. Equity above current earned contribution is earned through vesting and tied to continued investment. Company partner. Based on current contribution, the partner has earned 9% equity to date. The following offer should round this to 10% for simplicity. Yeah, makes sense. Total 10%. So he gets 10% vesting over 12 months. No additional cost involvement structure. Expectations, occasional testing and feedback. Ad hoc advice and introduction. No minimal weekly time commitment. Okay. This scenario reflects recognition of past work with limited future obligations. No operational or sales ownership is expected. Active business partner, up to 50% of total or above. 10% of base equity or above. Additional 5% equity vested over 12 to 18 months. 5 hours a week on average. Active help with customer outreach, testimonials and pilots, early traction and validation. Optional cost investment counts towards vesting acceleration. Co-founder track equity up to 24% maximum, total base equity earned via time and operational contribution. 5 to 10% earned via capital investment. All equity vests over 4 years with 1 year cliff. Over first year. 150 hours over first year. That's like a month. Okay. Ownership of customer acquisition, growth and validation. Capital 5 to 10% investment over 12 months. Founder matching the investment. Protection applies to all scenarios. Equity vests monthly after any application cliff. Closing. Yeah, let's have a... Yeah, okay. Let's prepare table in clean table layout. Yeah, good. Makes sense actually. Good. Okay, so tasks. Oh, to-dos. Yeah. 2 out of 6. Okay, I can update that part. 2 out of 6. Yeah, I'll make a video out of that because it's really interesting actually. time invested. Baseline already earned. Limited involvement. Co-founder track. Active partner. Co tam, Nadiko?
Może wyjść Stefan? Czy nie, bo ci mogłoby się spodobać czasami, prawda?
Cześć, kochana.
Nagrywasz?
Tak, tak.
Nawet wyjść, może chociaż tak wyjść.
Ale tu tylko mnie widać, was, wy jesteście rozmyte.
Dobra.
Na razie zrobimy tak.
Szukam twojego.
Też nawet jak dziewczyny wchodzą, to kamera
Nie
idzie,
widać.
kamera idzie w tą stronę.
Trzeba
Ona nie
stać.
idzie w dół, nie? Czyli widać Tatry i gitary,
Jasne.
jak głów nie widać.
Mama, wiesz co? Mi potrzebny taki mur.
Poza tym nikt nie ogląda. Poza tym
No
nikt
wiem,
nie...
ale to zapisuję,
No.
nie?
Tak, tak.
Więc wiesz, kiedyś mogę
No.
oglądać.
Yeah, let's just get this table. Yeah, okay, so this is the table that I will show him. And then next page. Equilibrate them by component. Maximum possible. Fasting and protection. Fasting. Yeah, let's Google Doc ready table. Signatures. Stress test. Okay. Now let's prepare. What's the name? Let's prepare the offer document. No, that's not offer document. It's what word am I looking for? Summary table. Baseline already earned. Okay, let's just do that as well. And that, the other stuff will be, where's my chat? Already earned. Scenario comparison. Oh, H3. H3. Okay. Let's make this one. Okay, so this is a table, so maybe I want to have it on one page actually. Yeah, everything smaller, and this is one page. Good. And now the next page will be offer offer document. Let's prepare the offer document for each scenario. For each scenario. Okay, so if we agree on them, we can let's assume that the maximum in maximum maximum he gives 10 over next year, and I will match it. Great. Commercial founder offer, not legal contracts yet. Chosen one formal shareholder agreement. Vesting period 12 months. Schedule monthly. Cliff. Okay. Sorry, I disappeared for a second. No data. There should be data soon. Excellent. Back online. And next one, the second offer is scenario 2. Yeah, okay. And option 3. Final advice, important, not part of the documents. Or 3 at once. Let him choose. Do not negotiate against yourself. Silence after precedence. Add simple milestone language. Yeah, let's make sure that there are milestones. I'm actually matching it in time. Do I? Yeah, okay. Yeah, how do I okay, because if he's putting money and I'm putting time, like it's obviously equal. So I'm putting actually more time into it and more. Yeah, that's fine, okay. Does it say actually that I'm matching? Partner commits to investing up to 12,000 over 12 months. Capital might be paid in agreed tranches. Founder commits to matching the partner's investment 1-to-1. Yeah, okay, I think I can do that. 1-to-1. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Document offer 3, scenario 3. Yeah, okay, let's just so this is what I will offer my partner in this project. Ownership, okay, I think there's space. Yeah. Oops, no. One. Yeah, it's I don't like those spaces here. So let's just reformat that. So this is actually what, oh yeah. It's fine, you got bored. Founder signature, partner signature. Good, okay. That's good. Company, partner. Company. Yep. Here. Oops. No. Yes. No. Good. Looks good actually. So we're gonna have a business together, yes. Offer document, good. Oh, okay, that scenario goes to the next page, obviously. Scenario 3. Yeah, cool. Let's just print that. I think this is actually a good offer. So I'm offering my partner some vesting interest in the company. So we have to sign it and just say that, you know, this is how much we're gonna share the business. So far I assume that he spent like 10%, although it's probably less. Yeah, it's probably a bit less, but let's say that's fine. I'm fine with that. Let's bring this one. Yeah, okay, that's how much he gonna invest. So let's go back to coding actually. Oh, why? Yeah, good. Let's get back to coding. So okay, 2 out of 4 out of 6. So we have got this one is done. This one is done. Good. Virtual tour hide. Let's hide the virtual tour for now. Or yeah, okay. Let's hide the. I haven't done any for it yet. I can't have it completed. Yeah, okay. I think that's gonna be 3 out of 6 quickly. Yeah, okay. Is this in dashboard? Yeah, I think that's here. Wow, it's removing a lot. Whoa, this is huge. Ah, yeah, this is delivery table. Search for circle help. Yeah, okay. For now, we're gonna hide this. I think it's really nice feature. Although for now, let's just get rid of it. Oh, why are we showing this? Oh, because it's from earlier. Yeah, good. Oh, is my charger off? Oh yeah, it's charging. Good. Good. It's great to see you guys coming, even if there's no one now. I think like the channel is like, it's surprisingly growing nicely, like 210 subscribers now. So can I be continuing this thing? Yeah, let's go on. Hello. Let's go on. I think like, so yeah, PowerShell, good. Now it should hide it. Perfect, successfully hidden. Good, let's just test it. pnpm dev. Is this on? It's here. So this is backend, obviously. pnpm dev. Yeah, okay. Let's test that one. Is virtual tour? Yeah, no help for now. We'll have to prioritize help quite soon. So 3 out of 6. Yeah, let's have that one done. And 3 out of 6. Let's just edit that one. 3 out of 6. Good. Doing it well. And next one, add no. Oh, it's out of 5 actually. Let's add another task. So we actually did also prepare share investing interest conditions for a partner. Yeah, so like that's also done. So I've just added another task, so I can tick it as done. And 3 out of 4 for now, and 4 out of 6, because that's actually really important. So I don't really fight with my business partner about how much we're gonna make and how much we want out of it. I think for now we will have to just, yeah, that's good, because like once I'll release this, there's obviously like time into promoting it. There will be some bug fixing, but I will actually go off to the next application. Yeah, dashboard. Yeah, for now let's just remove that one. And I don't really like I will be actually putting so much time into it anymore. So yeah, it's actually good because we're gonna have another project. Maybe that one, actually maybe this one, the next one I should not vibe code anymore. I should be just doing like a good old-fashioned development. Okay, so now we completed hiding virtual tour, and I think that we've done actually other thing as well. Yeah, okay, there's yeah, let's push it for now. And now the next task, I think like we're gonna be soon done with all 6 tasks. So add no results to all tables. Okay, this is actually simple. So like when we have no products or no customers or no suppliers, yeah, like here. Oh, actually, it should also like this should be loading state. Unloading state, and add a loading state to all tables to product customer supplier and delivery tables, and add message if there are no, you can add a button saying message no results and recommending new items or importing from Excel or from spreadsheet. We should also inform. Okay, so that's probably gonna be next one. Yeah, so that's another very important thing, and actually like 2 more tasks, and I will be recording my video for customers how to use the application, and then I will be almost there to actually start selling it. I think like I'll be. That's a close one. Yeah, continue. Copilot has been working. Yeah, but you can keep on working. Dude, like why are you this lazy, Copilot? Yeah, let's sit down. I think like my legs are actually getting tired. Yeah, good. Breaking, fixing, breaking, fixing, breaking, fixing, breaking, fixing. Good. And then this page. And I think like we can move on to the next product. Which is great. Like 2 more days. And we can move on. This is like something I can put somewhere here. Maybe here. Maybe this one should have like a very slight background as well. Yeah, okay. So, but there are no customers yet. Continue. Go on, Copilot. Be today, no, like no one actually is. I kind of like when people are on the chat. It's actually such a exciting thing. And some questions are just crazy well, crazy good. So yeah, if you have questions, like it's really fun to actually make those things together. Yeah, hi there. And yeah, like I think this is like 2 more tasks, 2 more things, and I think like I can start working on my video for releasing it. So my video will be a part of this page, which will be explaining how the application works in under 2 minutes. So I will have to record it as I'm like here now, and then I'm going to edit it and just add it to YouTube and also place it here. So this will be part of this channel, this YouTube channel, and then like as well as it will be promoting the application. I think this part will have to disappear for now because I have no actually testimonials, and I don't want to be lying to people, and I have no company A, B, C. I actually might have one that is using it, but that will have to be done. This is actually linked. Is it linked? Oh, I'll have to link it to a proper URL. But I was testing it already, so it should be actually done. And those links will have to be implemented, I guess. No careers. We don't have careers yet. We're gonna have to work on blog, I guess. Blog. Actually, this might be a blog or vlog. About like those videos could be like a part of vlog-ish type, so how we implemented some stuff, how we actually talked about it, how it's actually very good, very well implemented. I think like it's introducing some bugs here, like not bugs, like it's destroying my syntax, like 37 problems. Let's hope it's gonna figure it out himself, because I don't like to have 37 problems in my code. Oh, 17 now. Good. We are getting there. Keep. Hello. Keep. Now 3 problems. Property, custom fields. That's okay. It's not defined in the TypeScript. We can live with that. Oh, are we actually live now? thought we are streaming now. Maybe on different channel. Are we on different channel actually? Yeah, okay. Hello, you popped in my YouTube feed again. Wow, yeah, I think I'm good at popping at people's YouTube feeds. Nice to see you, dude. Again. Like I'm 4 tasks away, or like 2 tasks away from being sort of ready to launch my app. Although like the deadline is within 2 days, so I gonna be like day after tomorrow. I will actually start selling it, which might be actually disappointment for me because you know, like might not sell at first, and I will have to start finding customers through, you know, Google AdWords and stuff. So that's why I'm building today. I'm building my sales page again, and you know, I'm sort of doing a couple of sort of basic fixes here and there, in order so I can actually record like a sales video. Yeah, good to see you again, though. I can see that you had some fun last time. So like this is my goal for today, to have this video that will be actually introducing you within 2 minutes how the application is working. And I will hide this one as well, and this one I will actually, nice, launching on New Year's, New Year, new beginnings, yeah, new earnings, new riches, you know, although, you know, like it might not for first month or something. I'm not really expecting it to make big money, but within the first 3 months, I would hope it would actually start contributing to my family budget, and it's not only be a drain on me, like time drain and money drain, and it will start actually making proper money. Like, you know, people will start using it as a product, which would be actually fun. Like I like the feeling that, you know, the application that you've built is actually used by users, not just sold to a customer and like you don't know what happens to it. It's good to actually see if it's actually being used. Let's see if my AI actually, so I think it did. So I asked it to get rid, no, not to get rid of something, to fix something. Okay, so when we have a, basically when you have, yeah, so it's actually showing that loading suppliers, which is good. And I wonder when, do I have account with no customers? Let's see, let's just log out. And let's see if any account here is like having, oh, that's my admin panel. Okay, so I've got users here and I can check, that's employee, that's a main user. Okay, this guy, let's try to change password. I have, from testing, I'm just doing the same password all over the place. Hopefully you guys won't hack my local host. Okay, so this guy, although I think he has actually users, and he has, yeah, let's try here, no space. Yeah, that's the full one. We have plenty here. Too many. Okay, let's just log out and see if we have like another user that I can use that has nothing, or like very like close to nothing, so I can clean it. Kuba one, main owner, firma testowa. Yeah, let's see this guy. User test 4. Okay, let's just try this one and change his user 1 to 3. Okay. I can already see reset password. Oh, actually, no, let's just do one of mine. User 1 to 3. change password. User123. Good. Change password, and let's see if it's going to no. Today I was actually also looking into how much I should share with a guy who, like my friend who actually helped me come out with idea and you know. Okay. Oh, I have an account here that doesn't have it. Okay, but like why? Yeah. What's wrong? Oh, okay. Let's just restart. I think my local host is off. npm dev. So okay. So this was apparently. Oh, okay. Yes, we can see that. No customers. Import from spreadsheet. Add category. Why did it actually? Yeah, but like the import from spreadsheets should use the same action as import upload Excel. Yeah, don't like the import from spread button. It should actually do the same. Should I make it bigger? As upload Excel. Upload Excel. Same action. Button above. Yeah, that's not really what I like. It's almost there. I feel like no customers found, no suppliers, no deliveries found. Okay, it's gonna do this a couple of times now. But this is the way it's actually doing it. Like it's just creating errors, fixing part by part. Customers table. Import from spreadsheet. No, it shouldn't do that. This is really bad action, bad solution. Yeah, keep. Continue. Copilot again is being lazy. It kind of works for a minute and then like it tells me that yeah, I've been working for too long. I'm tired. Yeah, it's funny because like on my feed it doesn't seem to show that I'm actually I'm recording something. Maybe it will actually later. Switch accounts. Like I'm just checking on the phone if it's there, but like it doesn't seem to be. No, it's actually yeah, I'm live. Good. Allow, yeah, build if you need it. Display menu. Okay, let's see what it does. Seems like a good solution. Excel many. It's like, I think it exported like, I don't know if it's actually correct. Yeah, let's see. So let's see if my, oh, we have to run the local host. Yarn dev, not yarn. Oh, no. It's pnpm dev. No, dev. Yes, you. And now, okay, that's good. Let's see if customers import from spreadsheet. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But okay, it shouldn't say. But okay, let's just change. I feel that AI assisted or compute AI based coding is the future. Amazing to me how few people see this or even want to learn. I mean, like, yeah, I think it's not future. It's actually already there, and I've been working. I've in my past 2 or 3 years, it's been growing. So like I know, like, even me, I was actually very pessimistic at first. I didn't really like it, but then I just like started using it more and more. And it's basically like I think of myself as a I'm not like code artist that has to make prettiest code ever. I just want to solve a problem and make an application that will actually do something for customers. So it's actually much more important for me for this to be actually solving a problem. Oh, I think my kids are. Yeah, so the one thing I don't agree is like that it's a future. I think it's present. Yeah, most of the people I work with already tried it at least and did some work. Some people, like, I worked with one guy quite recently that just said that he's not gonna use it, and I think it's I think it's fine. Like, if you don't like it, then don't use it. But it's just like a tool, It's like if you tell me that you don't like one, like the tools I'm using, but you actually get the job done, and you get the code written, then it's fine, And like for example, like this is a tool as well. VS Code is a tool. I'm choosing to use it because it's easiest for me. But I could as well just develop with this thing, I could probably do Notepad++, or like I could also try to do it other way. So this is just like a tool. I kind of try to focus on like what's really there to build. 4 years, and in the last 3 months I've coded more than not wrote. Yeah, I feel like the thing is, like, with software development, there's quite a lot of just talking about the code quality rather than like whether we are actually building anything and if it's useful. So like I do like to focus much more on building something, really getting something out there, and rather than just like spending too much time on like, oh yeah, trying to make it pure, like making a beautiful code and stuff. I actually like recently I've actually opened like one of my old projects, and I thought like, okay, wow, I did actually a pretty good job in terms of like in React building components, and I made them, like, for example, here, like I would never in the other project I would never have like line 590, because I would just divide it into like line 933. I would just divide it into multiple smaller files, and I would just link to them. Also, like, for example, like here probably my state is just funny. Actually, I have multiple items within the state, but the thing is, like, I don't really care, This is like a means of the, like, it doesn't really have to be perfect. It just have to serve the purpose, Like, for example, this, like, yes, this is actually silly. This is too much. Like, I'm storing like a editing key. Yeah, I'm storing quite a lot of values here in state. So I could actually just have an object, and some of it could be within the components below. So like I wouldn't have to have so many use state items, because they would be in different components. But I don't really care. Like, seriously, this is just like, yeah. Only break the file size down to help the AI. It's a different mindset. Yes, I mean, when I'm breaking, I'm breaking it for me to make it easier for me to read, but like for like, but sometimes I don't feel like it's actually even easier. Like when you like, I don't really also like too much abstraction. So like, for me, I could probably, oh yeah, the loading state. Let's say that, like for example, this could be like separate component if there is something for loading. So that I could probably extract this into other component. There, maybe some table stuff, customers, I don't know. I could probably just extract some of it and make this file smaller. But it doesn't seem to be like, it's not really important for me that much. Like I just want to start selling this thing, and if I will be spending too much time just thinking about how my code is written and worrying about those problems, like I think like our brains have actually limited capacity for problems, so you can actually deal with 1 or 2 or 3 problems at the time. So if your problem is actually a piece of code, like whether this file is 900 lines or 300 lines, and if your problem is actually writing a perfect code, then you are not really focusing on other problem, which is launching an application and selling the application, making money with it, hopefully. So I think like, if you focus too much on other problems that are like code quality, then your brain can't focus on the problem, which is, I think, more important, at least for me now, like feeding my family. I don't really have to make, I don't have to be a code artist that will actually make the most beautiful code, because I really have other priorities now. I have priority called my daughter needs to pay for her horse riding lessons, or like I want to put like petrol in my tank, or I want to pay my mortgage. These are actually tasks I have to solve, and the code is just the tool actually I'm using to solve them. Yeah. So yeah, I kind of like your take. I feel like true, very true. The entire point is a payoff. Yes. It's a tool, and coding is a tool. Just same as program, like this AI assistant is a tool that you can use, and you can mess up with it. Like it's good when you understand your code. Like I think like I would feel really uncomfortable if I didn't really know what this means, or like what this is doing. I could figure it out easily. I actually feel a bit uncomfortable with my backend because there are some parts I don't really know exactly what they are, but like I think it's still quite readable for me to actually understand if I just spend time on it. Yeah, you just became the first, number 1, top fan. Congratulations. Yeah, great point. I think I will actually just like try to export it as a short, because I was just like, I had such a smart point. Thanks for your question, because it like, sometimes it like I wouldn't think of it even. So it's great that you actually asked that. And like I don't know like if there is a day now that I wouldn't be asked about AI coding, and like will it replace the engineers? Will it make me redundant? And I don't think it will actually. Like we can make ourselves redundant, but not some AI tool. We can just choose to use it or not. And like if there might be a time when some corporation will decide, if you don't use that tool and maybe some other widgets, then we don't want to hire you. But I'm sure you can still find it, multiple really fun jobs. And like if there is a company or corporation that is no, it's yeah. I think like I don't know. Like I do think that developers, like programmers, are actually focusing too much on like code quality rather than just like being solving a problem well. Because you just and we have almost endless discussions about which library we should use for UI, like okay, I should use this instead of that because this is better. Like use Tailwind because it's better, but like better in what? Like in just like making something like we shouldn't really focus on too much on that. You just like try to choose the best one and then like move on to the next problem. Okay, I forgot what I was actually building. Oh, because I've actually almost done 5 out of 6. Although, like, I don't really like this title. I think it should say upload Excel. So let's just change this. This time I will do my own programming. But yeah, because it's just like so minuscule. If I find it, okay. So I just need to find this line in my code. Let's just quickly find all of that. Import from spreadsheet and just search and replace. And let's make it to say upload Excel. Yay! So let's just like replace all of them. Good. So now we're gonna have upload Excel. If I manage to log back in, this is actually my biggest problem recently. Logging back in. Yeah, I'm here. And now I have to remember which account I've been using. I really suck at testing actually. I wish I was a bit better at that. I think that was my user now. Upload Excel. Oh yeah, no, it's logged in. It works. Good. Good. Nice. Okay, so 5 out of 6. Let's just update my message here. 5 out of 6. Done. So this is like, I've got one more and I can start working on my sales video. So we've got upload Excel here. And next one was, let's go open my main file. So I can say that this one has X next to it. Tabs list in settings should show in a row. What did I say? Why did I write this? Oh yeah. Okay. I understand now. That's I just felt like I've put some task for myself and I didn't really understand what was it. Basically, I don't like them to be one below the other one. Yeah, and so I will actually put statuses first and then categories, and then there should be in a row. So like I could probably do some CSS thing here. So this is float. No, display flex. Yeah, okay, this is how I want it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, so let's just find out what's the name of this component. What's the name of this one? And in React, we can go to components and doesn't tell us. Rolling focus group provider. No, it's probably higher up. This is what I don't like about React. All of this is actually different components. Tabs list. Okay, let's go to tabs list. Oh, is there like such a component? Let's just find here tabs list. Tabs list. Let's not replace it with. Okay, tabs list. So dashboard, reports version 2. Oh, why do I have version 2 in one? Register page, settings page. Okay, here, this one should be. Why is it not? Let's just display style. Okay, let's just like have a flex. Will it actually? Is it gonna be better? Yeah. Okay, I like it now. So yeah, solved. And this one was really annoying me for so many days now. So good actually. I just want to have this one first and this one second. It's yeah. So settings, statuses, categories. Good. Okay. I don't know actually if I need those categories, but maybe for now I'll keep them. Yeah. Good. Okay. I think you don't like my poll, so let's just end this one. I'll put another poll. Are you start a poll? Are you a vibe coder? Okay, are you a vibe coder? Yeah, let's start this one. This is easy. It seems like my previous poll was you didn't like, guys. Yeah. Okay, good. So 6 out of 6. I'm progressing. This is nice. So and this one I actually did myself. So maybe I should have a round of beers or something. Oh yes, 100% vibe coders so far. Maybe I should just maybe not beers actually. I don't really drink during the day. It's too early. Glass of water is probably not enough. Let's just have a coffee. And for now, I probably have to. Would you pay 29? Okay. So my previous poll was not really successful. No one would pay, or no one would even say that they would or wouldn't. So at least this time, I've got one response. Good. 100% are vibe coders. Both a vibe coder and old school. That's app going to do. What's this app going to do? This is actually for managing deliveries. So if you have like a supplier kind of, if you are like the middle guy, if you have your suppliers and customers and you send things from one to other, then this app will be good for you. Yeah. You status bar. Oh, okay. I'm 2 hours on. Like, whoa, that's a long one today. Okay, because my wife just asked me if I want to have something to eat, and I do want to have something to eat. So maybe I should actually go. And I will continue in like an hour. But for now, it's a break time. But like, I just finished all my 6 to-dos. So, great. Done. All done. 6 out of 6. To-dos. Yeah, good. I should actually, like, there's a guy, like, I've been checking, and he does cold plunges, so that's a good idea. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for your Tapex. Good work. I have a good meal. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, and thanks for your questions. Like, really. Yeah. And I mean the chat. Like, I think you did nailed it. And yeah, I'll be back in like 2 hours or like an hour. Maybe I'll go for a run. Yeah. See you, dude. Stop.